Welcome to uKnowva HRMS. In this foundation course, we'll guide you through the handling investment declarations to make investment declarations clear, easy, and faster to set up on your own. Let's get started. To manage investment declarations, go to the Investment Declarations menu and select Pending Approval. Use the search field and filters like Financial Year and Status to refine the list. Click on Search to proceed or Reset to go back to the default view of the page. Want to process investment declaration requests seamlessly? Then select Employees by clicking the checkboxes and click Approve or Reject. Alternatively, use the I icon, check icon, or X icon under the action column for individual approvals. Click the Export to Excel button to download the list of pending declarations as a source of backup. Want to import the exemption amount or pending declarations from your system to update the data? Click on View All and get on the List Employees page for the current year. Find and click the Import button to get two options. First is the Import Exemption Amount. This opens a pop-up window which allows you to download the import template file. Prepare it and then upload by selecting Choose Your File button and then hitting the Upload button. Similarly, choose the second option, that is Import Declarations. The pop-up window that opens lets you download a templatized CSV file by clicking Download Import Template File. Prepare it well, and then choose Financial Year Ending and select the investment type from the drop-down menu before selecting or uploading the file. To select the prepared file, click on Choose Your File or the Browse button. Then hit the Upload button. The system will then automatically upload the data to reflect immediately. Thank you for watching.